Click the link in the description below to learn how to switch to commercial full-time.
So today we're doing a couple different things. We're going to be priming the other side, and we're going to be doing some seams on this side. We're a few minutes away from this roof being 100% dry because there's some dew on here. So we've been doing that for the last 30 minutes, but it's about ready to go. I got Rick over here putting Kwik Kaulk fastener grade on top of every fastener. And so if you look over there just a little bit, you can see we did white on all those fasteners the other day. We're using bronze here, and there's actually a specific reason for that. It isn't just for, because a color preference. It's really because when we're dealing with caulk, we have what's called solar gain. When the sun hits the caulking here, the white caulk, it doesn't have any solar gain at all, so it doesn't dry very fast. It dries faster on a warmer day, 85, 90 degree day with direct sunshine. But this week we have cooler temperatures. We've got temps between 50 and 55 degrees mostly. And so the warmth of the air is not going to help us dry very fast. With the bronze caulk, it absorbs that ultraviolet ray from the sun and actually has some solar gain. And as I can imagine, it dries quicker. So there's actually a rhyme and a reason for using different colors when we do these systems. And so because we want to get on top of this and have it dry quicker, we're using bronze today. Now keep in mind, we don't care that if it's a little bit messy. There's a little stringies coming here and there, and sometimes there's a little bit of excess, but we really don't care. We care that that fastener is 100% encapsulated all the way around, so that we know that that fastener will never leak again.
Are you looking to grow your commercial roofing business? We're a group of commercial roofing contractors throughout the country that have banded together to help each other avoid costly mistakes, while also talking which growth strategies are working the best. To talk to one of our members and learn more about what we're accomplishing together, go to our website, choiceroofcontractors.com.